Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2022 Cadillac XT5 Premium Luxury. It comes equipped with a 2-liter turbo engine paired to a 9-speed automatic transmission. Other amenities included such as premium leather heated seats, lane keep assist, panoramic sunroof, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and so much more. Come check it out. Alright, moving on to the interior, we're going to have this all-black interior with paneling and storage on the bottom with your powered liftgate. It comes equipped with the Bose speaker sound system. It's going to come up to the power locks, mirrors, and windows with your seat memory and wood and chrome accents. Also has Cadillac badges. Onto the seats, these leather heated seats, both power adjustable, super nice. Left side you're going to have those vents, and left side of steering wheel will be your cruise control and voice recognition, as well as forward collision alert, lane keep assist, and heated steering wheel. And the right side will be your odometer, cluster control, and volume. Now for the odometer, you can access over vehicle information, including your trip info, as well as your gauges. You can also access audio, navigation, phone connectivity, and other settings as well. It's going to be push to start, and onto the infotainment. Pretty straightforward, equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, built-in Wi-Fi hotspot. You also have downloadable apps as well. You can access Amazon Alexa, as well as your climate and Spotify. Below, you're going to have the climate controls, automatic, pretty straightforward. And center console, you're going to have your volume control as well as your cluster. You're also going to have drive mode selector as well as wireless charging pad, and a center console with USB and an SD card reader. Passenger side, same finish, power adjustable, getting that Cadillac badging, wood and chrome across, the speakers and vents up top, and then here you can access your reading lamps, OnStar and SOS, and your panoramic sunroof. So you're going to have these 18-inch wheels on no-keyed all-season tires. You're going to have the paint-match mirror caps and the chrome and black keyless entry door handle. Look at side rail up top, deep tint rear glass to the back, as well as the dual exhaust. Into the back here, you got the 60/40 rear folding split seats with LED lamps, as well as some hooks and extra wheel storage and tools down below. It's a pretty spacious room. Onto the rear interior, again, more paneling storage right next to the speaker, power window again. On the back, decent legroom, storage behind the passenger and driver's side with rear ventilation, as well as USB ports and some storage. You got the cup holder and armrest right in the center, lamps and handles on the side, and above you again, the panoramic sunroof. All right, well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet as we checked out this 2022 Cadillac XT5 Premium Luxury, equipped with a 2-liter turbo engine, as well as a panoramic sunroof, lane keep assist, forward collision alert, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe, and we hope to see you at Chevy Farm very soon.